The red-headed woodpecker goes rat-a-tat-tat-tat-tat. He decided the gutter's where the bugs are at. Red-headed woodpecker doesn't care if you're sleeping. He's gonna make noise, wake up the neighbors and you this morning. Goes rat-a-tat-tat-tat-tat. And you got nothing you can do about that. Maybe you run outside and try to scare him away. But the red-headed woodpecker's got bugs to eat. So he'll wake you up in the morning, even when you're trying to sleep. He goes rat-a-tat-tat-tat-tat. Rat-a-tat-tat-tat-tat. Maybe on a tree, maybe on your gutters. The red-headed woodpecker goes rat-a-tat-tat-tat-tat. If you like that song, there's another one here. And if you like them all, you can subscribe right here. But if you're not watching on YouTube, I'm just waving my hand in the air. Thanks for stopping by. Woo!